Welcome to Great Garden. Today, I'll share with you how to grow orchids using the upside-down planting method. This technique helps orchids grow stronger and bloom consistently throughout the year. With this method, the roots have better air circulation, allowing them to absorb nutrients more efficiently. As a result, the plants become healthier and the flowers bloom more vibrantly. If you have an orchid that is weak or has been cared for a long time, but isn't growing or blooming, try this method. Trim off any wilted, damaged, or diseased leaves. Old, dry, or rotting leaves not only make the plant look unattractive, but also consume energy. Removing these leaves helps the plant concentrate nutrients on the healthy parts and reduces the risk of disease spreading. Examine the orchid's root system. The roots are a vital part that determines the overall health of the plant. If the roots are rotting, dry, or not functioning well, the plant will struggle to grow. Healthy roots are usually ivory white or vibrant green. Damaged roots appear dark brown or mushy. Be sure to remove all the rotten roots. This orchid's roots are almost completely decayed, which prevents the plant from absorbing water and nutrients properly. Trimming away the damaged roots helps stop the spread of disease and protects the remaining healthy roots. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, carefully trim off the dried, withered, or damaged portions of the stem, making sure to leave only the healthy living sections intact. This step helps the plant focus its energy on recovery and new growth, prevents potential infection from spreading through decaying tissue, and allows the remaining stem to support the development of fresh roots, leaves, and eventually flowers. After pruning, thoroughly rinse the entire plant with clean water. This step helps remove dirt, debris, and any remaining bacteria or fungi, reducing the risk of infection and preparing the plant for optimal recovery and healthy growth. Place the plant in a well-ventilated, dry area. Take 1 liter of clean water and pour it into a cup. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, add a spoonful of raw honey to the mixture. Then mix the solution thoroughly until all the ingredients are fully combined. Next, add 4 vitamin B1 tablets to the mixture. Next, continue stirring the mixture thoroughly until everything is fully dissolved. You now have a natural fertilizer solution that's highly beneficial for your orchids. Soak the entire plant in this solution for about 20 minutes. This allows the nutrients to penetrate deeply into the roots and stems, stimulating new root growth and helping the plant recover its overall health. I use moss as the growing medium for orchids. Moss retains moisture well and provides good aeration, but it needs to be sterilized beforehand. Prepare 1 liter of clean water. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to 1 liter of clean water, then stir well until the powder is completely dissolved. This solution helps disinfect and clean the moss, while also creating a safe environment that prevents mold and harmful bacteria before using it as a growing medium for orchids. Soak the moss in the baking soda solution for 20 minutes to eliminate bacteria, mold, and pests. This step ensures the growing medium is clean and safe for the orchids, promoting healthy root development and reducing the risk of disease. After soaking the orchid for 20 minutes, remove the plant and gently pat it dry with a soft cloth. This helps prevent water from accumulating in the leaf axils, reducing the risk of rot or fungal infections. I began by planting the orchid upside down, carefully positioning it so that the roots have space to grow freely. To keep the plant stable, I use a copper wire as a support, securing it in place. This not only holds the orchid firmly, but also ensures that any new roots can develop without the risk of breaking or bending during regular care and maintenance. Next, I use an iron hook to secure the new orchid pot. This helps the pot stay stable, preventing it from tipping over or falling, while also making it much more convenient for watering, spraying nutrients, and observing the plant daily. Squeeze out the soaked moss to remove excess water. Keeping the moss moderately moist ensures good aeration, prevents waterlogging, and promotes healthy root growth. When you cover the roots with moss, you are creating a natural moisture cushion around them, which helps retain just enough water without causing waterlogging. This moss layer provides continuous humidity, while also allowing good airflow, helping the roots breathe properly. At the same time, the moss retains some nutrients from watering or foliar fertilizer solutions, allowing the roots to absorb them slowly and evenly. The final result is an inverted orchid pot that is extremely stable and secure. During the first week after planting, do not water the orchid. After the first week of planting, prepare the honey plus B1 solution again, following the same proportions as before. Pour the solution into a clean spray bottle and gently mist it over the entire orchid, making sure to cover both the leaves and the exposed roots. This regular foliar feeding should be done 2 to 3 times per month. It helps the plant absorb nutrients more efficiently, stimulates the growth of new roots, strengthens existing ones, and promotes overall health and vigor, ensuring your orchid develops strong, lush foliage and blooms beautifully. After 1 month, new roots start growing vigorously around the base. The fresh white roots indicate that the plant is recovering well. Once the roots are strong, replant the orchid using a layer of moist moss. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Continue applying the liquid fertilizer made of honey and bee 1, 2 to 3 times a month. Hang the pot in a location with gentle light, either near a window or under the shade of a tree. After 3 months, the orchid shows vigorous growth, with strong, healthy roots and vibrant green leaves. The flowers bloom brilliantly, displaying bright, long-lasting colors that enhance the beauty of the plant. I hope this video has provided you with useful knowledge to help your orchids grow healthy and bloom consistently. If you found the content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you for watching, and I wish you great success with your orchid garden.